Welcome to the first grade tutorial for uploading a photo or document to a forum for first grade at Roanoke. This tutorial is going to help guide you as a student and parent so that you can successfully help your child upload a photo for a homework assignment related to assignment or an activity that happened at school. The first thing you'll do is go to your child's first grade Netschool page. You'll scroll down the page to where the assignment is. As you can see, your teachers have them dated, and I'm going to go to an example for uploading a picture or document. This will probably be named something else, but you would click on that form or document after you read the instructions. For example, they had read Charlie the Caterpillar in class. The instructions say, when reading the book today in class, how do you think Charlie the Caterpillar felt when no one would play with him? Take a picture showing how he felt, or find a picture and upload to the forum. You would then click on that forum and you would add a new discussion to the topic. When you add a new discussion to the topic, you first would type in the subject. The student could answer it there, or they could say how Charlie was feeling. They could then type that I think Charlie was feeling lonely because when no one will play with me, I feel lonely. Once they've typed that in, they could also type their name. If they wanted to, it would still associate with them, but they could type their name. In my case, I'll type my name for an example. And then down here is where you would add your file. You would click Add, and then you would go to Upload File, and you would browse the picture that you had uploaded to your computer. You would then look for the picture that you were looking for. And then once you found that picture, upload that file. Once you've uploaded that file, where you have that picture in place, you would then click Post to Forum. You would have up to 5 minutes to edit that way if your child would want to, and then it would post here. Other students would then have the opportunity to reply as well. If your child wanted to see what they had posted, you could click right here to see what they had posted, which would have right here what had been typed. I think Charlie was feeling lonely because when no one will play with him, when no one will play with me, I feel lonely. And then a picture showing what they think lonely felt like. They could then reply to their own post, or the next day the teacher can create some sort of activity where other students can reply to posts and interact with each other's learning. Thank you so much for listening to this tutorial. I hope it was helpful.